Hello everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can recover your Pinterest account password. So first open the Pinterest application. You are currently at the home page of Pinterest. Now here you type in the email address and then tap on continue. Here on the password providing page you need to tap on forgot password over here. Then they will send you a instruction link to recover it. Tap on OK. Now you need to go check your mail. There's the mail to reset your password on Pinterest. You tap upon that. Here you need to tap on reset password. Now you will be able to provide a new password for your Pinterest. Type in the new password and then tap on login. Your password has been changed and you have been logged in into your Pinterest account as well. So this is how you can recover your Pinterest account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.